Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you change your hotspot password in your Infinix phone. Guys, you want to change your hotspot password, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change hotspot password in our Infinix phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change your hotspot password. After that guys, you can see your hotspot setting. So guys, tap here. Guys, click on your Wi-Fi hotspot setting. Guys, click on hotspot setting. Guys, you can see your hotspot password. So guys, tap here. We will cut this password guys. The new password guys, we will take into guys 09876545432 example guys, we will take it and okay. Save hotspot setting guys, tap here first of all. Then guys your password will change, otherwise not. So as you can see, your hotspot password has changed in your Infinix phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change hotspot password in our Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.